Okay, great question. So this is what I had. Of course, these are beads. Look at that shine. So you got some tiger's eyes, some strawberry quartz, some agates. Look at that flashing these beads. Okay, next up, I have a pendant. Look at this. This is gorgeous. See that flash? The Drusy? This is amazing. This is going to be a necklace. Necklace is going to be fire. And this is double-sided. So this is the back side of it. And it almost looks like the tree of life. This is gorgeous. And lastly, we have some gemstone rings. Look at this. This is back side of that. It's like a cream color. Can you see those veins in it? Gorgeous. Since purple is my color, look at this one. See the Drusy? Oh, gorgeous. Look at the side. Beautiful. Look at this one. Gorgeous. These are total statement pieces. Here they are again. Look at that shine. Gorgeous pieces. And I like bringing original pieces that you won't find in the store because I like my pieces to be unique. I'll be adding this to my shop this weekend since I just got these pieces, and they will be available to purchase. Look how gorgeous that is.